Hey guys, Wayne here from H2TechVideos. Today I want to show you how to use split screen on the Samsung Galaxy J7 Star. To do this, you're going to figure out what two apps you want to have open. Let's say you wanted to have Google Maps open and you also wanted to have YouTube open. So the easiest way to do this is to open one of the apps first. So I'm going to open Google Maps. Then I'm going to quickly close it. And then I'm going to open YouTube. And then I'm going to close it. And the reason you do this is so that when you hit your recent apps button, those two apps are already going to be here, and it just kind of speeds up the process. Let me switch the view because your phones probably don't look like this. So this is probably what you see. So I'm going to go to the app I want to be on the top first. So I'm going to go to YouTube, and then I'm going to hit the recent apps button again, and then I'm going to hit these two bars right here, right next to the X. This is going to put you into the split screen mode. And then I'm going to open the second app here. So now I can have Google Maps open in one screen, and I can have a YouTube video playing at the top. So if I go to my subscriptions, let's say I play this video here, pretty cool. I can have a video playing and I can still interact with the bottom screen at the exact same time. So really cool. You can also turn the screen in the landscape, and it will also work in this mode as well. So this is in a nutshell how split screen works. You can also tap the center and you can switch the two apps. So maybe you want the top one on the bottom and vice versa. You can do that. For YouTube, you can tap on the video and you can hit this to put it into full screen just so you can see it better. And then what you can also do is close it by just hitting X. That'll take you out of the split screen. And then we can just easily go back home just like that. So in a nutshell, that's how you use split screen on the Samsung Galaxy J7 Star. Hope you guys did find that helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and make sure you also check out our new site, Tech Made Easy. On the next screen, you'll see a green bubble. Hit that green bubble and make sure you subscribe and check out all the other content we have on that site as well. Thanks again for watching. Take care and have a good one.